welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm reviewing this really cool product. This is a ECOLOR. They call it a portable LED camping lantern. It's so much more than that. It's just this really cool portable sort of football or egg-shaped LED lamp. It is portable, it's rechargeable, you can take it with you and have light on the go. You can have it on your nightstand. It's RGBW, that means millions of colors as well as warm white and cool white. So you can use it as a lighting source. You can also use it for ambient lighting. Really lots of cool options. You can see it's dimmable. Warm to cool white, 16 million colors. You can control it in the app to do all kinds of different cool stuff, do DIY scenes, even have it react to music. So really cool product. We're going to open it up and take a look at it, and then we're going to see it in action so you can see just how awesome of a product it is. Now, here you go. This is the product itself. You can see it's pretty small, fits in the palm of my hand, but inside of this small thing is some pretty cool, powerful stuff. You've got your, looks like a power button, probably a microphone there, a lanyard, things for a lanyard, place to, I'm guessing this is going to be a place to plug it in and charge it. Right there, yep, that's where you're going to charge it. So, really, really cool. Let's look at the other stuff. You've got, your lanyard, so you can hang it on something, but also this serves as a way to stand it up. So you can sit it in there, so you can have it sitting this way, or you can have it sitting this way, and you'll see that more in the demo later on. And then they do include the charging cord to charge it up, as well as the manual here. So that's everything that comes in the box. Really, really cool product, but I know what you want to see it in action. So let's go check it out in action so you can see all the cool things that this ECOLOR light can do. So right now I've got the LED light, and you can see the different colors. Right now I'm just going to control it because you don't have to use the app. The app gives you more control, but just having this, if you push the power button, then it changes and takes it through different modes. So you can kind of see some of the colors and see how just using the power button you can change the color and take it into different looks, and it's just really a cool light. Now this is just a white light, and so it's lighting up this entire room pretty well. You can't see that right now because I'm focused on the football. This gives you that warm white. That was a cool white. This would be like a warm white lamp, and plenty of light like to read by. Really, really cool. And now you've got it into a sort of a rainbow changing mode, and you can see it's just so simple but so cool. And now this is a sort of a different effect, and this is going to go between different colors. And here you've got sort of a rainbow colors going. Oh, that's kind of a cool effect. Just really, this one's very simple. It's kind of blue and then like has whites kind of moving around, kind of cloud-like color. This is kind of a cool one. It's kind of slowly transforming to different colors. And now you've got your police colors. So yeah, just you can see this is just using the power button here and going through those different colors. So very, very cool. So right now this little LED lamp is the only light that's on out here in my gazebo area, and you can see with that light on how much light it puts off. It lights up the area. Now it's not bright, but that's not the point of it. It's plenty of light to see and give you that nice ambiance. And I've got the app open right now, and what's cool is because I'm in the app, I can customize and change this thing to whatever color I want. And there's different effects. If I want to go white, I can go warm white. I can go cool white. I can go to different cool effects and scenes. There's a fire, sort of a fireplace, fire look to it. Okay, so we're going to check out music mode right now. And right now it's an automatic color, which means it's reacting to my voice. I'm just going to react to my voice rather than actually play music. But you can also pick your own color. So if I decide I want it to just react to my voice with a bluish color, then I can do that. Or I could choose a reddish color and it'll react with red, or green and it'll react with green. Or you put it automatic and it'll just go through different colors on its own. And within this, you can change the sensitivity of the mic. You can change the speed at which it reacts. Right now it's on quick. I can switch it to slow, and you can see now that I've switched it to slow, it's a little bit of a less drastic reaction. So within any of the different modes, you can do that. This is the follow mode. This is the bubble mode. So within bubble mode, you can see the LEDs are acting more independently within there and moving around to react to the sound, which is kind of a cool effect. This is melody. And so in melody, all the LEDs are staying mostly on and then just changing colors around in reaction to the sound. This is flower mode. So this is more of a rainbow effect. And you can kind of see as it's changing, it gets brighter when it hears sound. Then it slowly fades, but it's a rainbow effect. Then this is rhythm. And in rhythm, you can see different lights stay on and other LEDs are off. So you get the colors and you get different colors, but there's some are on, some are off in different colors. So really cool effect. And then this one is scattered. So in scattered, it's kind of a combo of some of those other ones, but really, really cool effect. Again, you can adjust the sensitivity. Right now I have it about 40%. And you can have slow reaction, which is what I have on right now, or quick reaction. So with quick reaction, you can see it's a little bit more of a drastic reaction. When it's hearing sound, it's reacting more drastically when it's in quick, and then less drastically when it's in slow. But anyway, really, really cool that it can work with music that way and the way it works, and it's just a really cool effect to have. If you're having a party, you've got music going, you can throw this on a table, on a picnic table, inside, outside, and it just gives you a cool effect and reaction to the music. Just love this light. I think it's so cool. I mean, the fact that it can react to music like it's doing right now, and in so many different modes and different sensitivity, and then how it reacts, and just there's so many different effects that this thing has just reacting to music. But then also you can granularly control every LED inside there to make exactly the color pattern you want. Or you can use the different scenes that go through different colors, and then you can customize those to your liking. Or you can just have it just solid warm white or cool white just to have light. And it's rechargeable and it's portable, so you can throw it in your backpack, take it with you on the go, as well as use it, around a pool, or if you're hanging out outside, or if you're go camping, take it with you there. So you can have it as a light to actually give you light. You can also have it as just ambient lighting and cool effects. You can use it with the music mode, or just a standard motion mode, and emulate fire, or whatever you want to do. It's just, I think it's just awesome. It's really, really cool. They really put a lot of thought into designing this and making a really awesome, cordless, rechargeable, easily portable LED light that has amazingly awesome effects and lots of cool things it can do, and just very practical and works really, really great. So I would highly recommend this product. I think it's one of the coolest things I've found in a long time, and I absolutely love it. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All the videos are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist, keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel, keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.